We just gonna act like this get both of the things on it. Y'all, guess what? What's up, what's good to YouTube? What's the tea? Welcome back to my channel, Ava Latrice, the Avalicious Lifestyle. Let me get this bag from at my background, because I promise I'm not dirty. So y'all, guess what came in the mail today?
These nuts.
Now, my wig came in the mail, y'all, and I'm so geeked because your girl needed a new wig. You feel me? This was really cheap, guys. Actually, surprisingly, this was like what, $89 from AliExpress. I actually forgot the vendor's name, but I'm sure it'll have the name on the box. Because I want y'all to see my reaction on when I see this wig, because y'all ordered a wig from AliExpress not too long ago and I had a bad experience, and that video is coming soon because they had me bent. They finessed me. That wig was a hot mess. I look like Michael Jackson.
Of course I fuck them kids. Come on.
So, this is the box. It's a pretty box, but baby, it's bent. She looked like she went through trials and tribulations, but it says high quality, natural, comfortable, 100% human hair. However, it don't got the name. That's not really a big zero, but I'm gonna find the name for y'all because it's on my computer. So the name of this wig is Alby, and it's a 13x4 lace front human hair wig. So yeah, it was very affordable, and it's about Alby, and we're gonna see if this wig is really you know. So in the package, it comes with a nude wig cap, which I needed for sure. It also comes with, it has the name on the card. Maintenance tips, how to deep condition it and all that. Appreciate that. And it comes with some cute lashes, and I'm surprised. These are some decent lashes compared to what other hair vendors, people, sellers, whatever usually give you. They usually give you them little baby lashes, although this isn't extravagant enough for me, but it's still appreciated. And now for the important part, the actual wig. So I had ordered an 18-inch wig. See, 18-inch. Yeah. So okay, I like the way this feel. I don't really see no shedding. Like, I'm running my fingers through it. I don't really see no shedding yet. But yeah, so I like this. It's really nice and soft. It's shiny, not too shiny to where it looks synthetic or nothing. True to length. Yeah, this about true to length, I guess. The lace is nice. It's not like super hard, you know what I'm saying? Like hard and cheap to where you can barely blend it. And as you can see in the front, it got some baby hairs a little bit. Like, but yeah, they got a little bit of baby hairs in the front, and I like that. I'ma still have to cut and clip and dip and pluck all that. The real review will be when I put it on my head, because yeah, it's nice now, but how would it really be when you put it on your head is the question. But overall, I really like this wig. I don't really have nothing bad to say about it yet, but we shall see once I put this junk on my head. We gonna see if I look like a baddie or you had it and you lost it somewhere.
Boy, if you don't.
How I look out. So yeah, y'all, this was a short video, but I hope y'all enjoyed it anyways. Overall, I'm satisfied with this wig. It don't look a hot mess like little Michael Jackson over there.
Okay, yeah, well, tell your mama to get the fuck out of here. Tee.
Which y'all will be seeing very soon. Very, very soon, because they had me so messed up, y'all. Like, I swear to God, they really played me. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Also, click that subscribe button and that bell so you can get with the baddie lifestyle, period. And y'all, thank y'all so much for getting me to 100 subscribers, bro. Like, oh my god, like, oh my god. That's small, but for me, it's something big because I remember when I was procrastinating on even starting this channel to begin with, and just to see that you guys really watch my videos and really subscribe to my channel, like, it makes me feel like I'm doing something with my life. Y'all, I will see y'all in my next video, and that's it. Peace, love, and hair grease, my loves.
Money monopoly, I ain't fucking you properly. He been trying to lick the taste like a strawberry daiquiri. The interior chicken